What's up guys, how you doing? I just ate Indian food. I don't know if you like, but you should give it a try. It's really good and tasty. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a free tool you can face swap videos and photos. Really useful one called CArt. You can just upload your model's photo, okay, and then you're gonna have the video. Here you can see the quality, really good. You can download also video, of course, from TikTok, Instagram. Just find the video you want and it will face swap it for free. As you can see here, the results are pretty good. Okay, and yeah, you can use a thing like six or seven videos per day, which is more than enough. You also have templates here, you can use them as well, but I just suggest you just go on TikTok, search for videos, dancing girls, search for like last 2 weeks or 3 weeks, download them, swipe Facebook the face, and you can put it on Instagram. Mostly on your burner accounts, okay, not on the main one, as I said, because you don't want to risk it. Yeah, so it's very short video, guys. I also want to let you know, if you don't know who I am, I have a Telegram channel. I share my journey with AI OFM, how I got on first month to $2,500. I share my strategies, marketing, image creation, and everything for free. If you're struggling and you really want one-on-one, kind of like showing you everything from inside, including the chatting, including the marketing itself, and just kind of shortcuts, to be honest. Like, yeah, there is free knowledge on YouTube. Yeah, my YouTube channel gives a lot of free knowledge. It's useful that you can use immediately, but still it's not the full picture. There are really more things you can learn to actually make your way faster and also prevent a lot of problems and mistakes you're gonna do on the way. So see you on the next video, and I hope this video helped you. Peace.